Hello and welcome to a Lego minifig haul. I got a few to pick up here along with my pull tab. So let's get started with Lego. I got Mr. Scissors here. This is a duplicate. We already have this guy. Excuse my coughing. I'm getting over COVID, so I have a bit of a cough going on still, unfortunately. Come on, doggy. Sit, Ubu, sit. Good dog. He's got a carrot. Pardon me. There, you know what? Oh, that's a horse, not a dog. So it's a miniature horse. There we go. So now he's a sprout. He's a sprout horse. And there we go. I don't think the camera's got a focus on him, but there we go. And so we'll stick him over there because we got a few to go. Okay, I don't think I have this one in my collection. I may. You never know, but she can dual wield. I wonder if she does that. Or did I get... Oh, I think I got an extra sword because she comes with a shield. Which is cool. It's a translucent sword. I like that. So there she is. Like alien warrior goddess, I guess you could call her. So that by the sprout horse there. I'll take the sprout off of his back here. Now he's a normal horse. Ooh, out of the way, out of the way, out of the way. We got many to go. What we got here? We got... Oh, we got the elf guy with the acorn hat. And I know we got this guy. I had a feeling we get duplicates in this batch because I have picked up these before, but I'm trying to get, and my neighbor decides to mow their lawn now. Oh, look, it's a mushroom. I got extra mushroom. And an extra stick. And an acorn hat. Get it on there. Oh, there we go. The mushroom has a little smiley face on it. A little smiley face mushroom there. I don't know if I can force the camera to focus on it or not. But extra parts. Always get extra parts. And yep, we already have this guy too. This is the para-athlete. Whoa, whoa. I think I got a few of the para-athlete here. His head just wants to roll. Extra gold medals. I think I already got a slew of them. Alright, come on, put on your helmet. There we go. First he didn't want to sit in his chair. Okay, come out of your chair for a second. I can't get your front wheel on. There we go. Alright. And we got, no. There we go. It's wheels. Let's see if we can get it to focus on it. Nope, not gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna stop trying that because it doesn't seem to be working. And an extra gold medal. Next up. I don't know that we have this guy. Please hold while I retrieve his head. And we're back. I retrieved the head. This guy. Oops. Put his legs out so I got something to hold on to. Oh, it's so butterfingeries. Why will you not wear your cap? Oh, there we go. I just was aligning it wrong. Give him a sword, and he comes with a husky. So, okay, so there we have like the Winter Warrior and his husky. Next up, oh, we got another mushroom guy. Should I probably put them together? Nope, I almost put your legs on backwards there, buddy. Yep, almost lost his head. Helmet. His acorn there. And we got the smiley mushroom. So we're going to slide these guys over and put the Forest twins there together. And next up we have we got another Alien Warrior Queen there. She does. She comes with 2 swords. I wonder if she's meant to give you an option. Shield or dual swords. We give her dual swords. She looks a bit more intimidating with the dual swords. There, yeah. So let's slide Mr. Horsey over. Come over here and stand next to him. There we go. Get them all moved up there. And this is the last one. And yeah, I moved the horsey guy to the right place because we got another horsey guy. So, 2 horses. Whoa. Okay. His head is already in the hat. What are the odds in that happening? That is just crazy. Please hold. Well, I tried to. Well, let's see if I put his head on his body, if I can pull it off. Yay, that worked. Yeah, I've never had one come. I mean, the odds are kind of high that would be able to happen, I would think. But I'm not into statistics, so I don't know. Alright. And that's it. There we go. Spare parts. And we got the Lego series there. That's series 12? 22. Series 22. And like I said, I think I have all but him and her. But I could be wrong on her, but I know I have the others. So there we have it. Lego pickup. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe, hit the bell button, and share these videos with others that may like it. Thank you, and have an awesome day. Be seeing you.